In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Xero, 5 minutes. Even though Xero doesn't actually let you delete contacts outright, you can clean up your list by archiving them, which hides them from everyday views while keeping your records intact. I'll show you how to archive a single contact and how to tidy up multiple contacts at once. Start by signing into your Xero account. Open Xero's login page, choose Login, and enter your email address and password. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step, then select Login again. When you land on the dashboard, head to the top menu and open Contacts, then choose All Contacts. On this page, you'll notice there's no Delete button. That's because Xero preserves contact history for reporting and audit trails. To remove one contact from your active list, select it to open its details, choose Archive, and confirm by clicking Archive again. Xero immediately moves that contact out of your main list. You'll see a brief confirmation message at the top, and the contact will disappear from all contacts. The contact's past transactions remain in your reports, but it won't appear when you're picking contacts for new invoices or bills. You can always find archived contacts later by filtering for archived and unarchive if needed. If you have several contacts to tidy up, go back to all contacts, select each contact you want to remove from the main list. With those selected, choose Add to Group, create a new group by picking plus New Group, give the group a clear name, and click Create, then click Add. Xero will move those selected contacts into that group, effectively clearing them out of your core list so you can focus on the contacts you actually use. This is especially useful during end-of-year cleanup or after an import, when duplicates slip in. A couple of quick notes: you can't archive a contact if it has outstanding invoices or bills. Settle or void those first. You'll need the right permissions in Xero to manage contacts. And remember, archiving is reversible and safer than deleting because it protects your financial history. And that's it. You've signed in, navigated to contacts, archived a single contact, and used groups to move a batch out of your list. Use these methods anytime you want a cleaner, faster contact picker in Xero without risking data loss. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section as you follow along.